And let's tell you what you can expect in Parliament today. The opposition has a clear strategy at this point, and their single track focus point is the Lakhimpur case. And today too, expect that there will be a lot of protests that rock Parliament as the opposition is demanding a debate over the Lakhimpur violence, particularly over the SIT report which alleged a murder plot. The opposition is demanding the sacking of Minister of State for Home Affairs Ajay Mishra Teni, whose son is one of the accused in the case. The uproar and chaotic scenes in Parliament yesterday forced proceedings to be adjourned. Both houses were repeatedly adjourned after Congress MP Rahul Gandhi accused the government of stalling and stopping debate. The government so far has made it very clear that there is going to be no discussion on the Lakhimpur case since the matter is sub judice. This comes after the special investigation team on Tuesday said that there was a planned conspiracy to murder protesting farmers and sought attempt to murder cases against the accused. 4 farmers were mowed down by an SUV in Lakhimpur Kheri when a group protesting against the 3 farm laws came together. And as a result of that, an angry mob had then lynched 2 BJP workers and their driver. A journalist was also killed in all of this violence.
ऐसे 10-15 लोग यहाँ पर शोर मचाते हैं तो यहाँ पूरे देश में फैल जाना चाहिए था आंदोलन। अगर कृषि कानून खराब हो तो क्यों नहीं फैला? 10-11 महीने हो गए। मैं ऐसे लोगों को कहना चाहता हूँ कि सुधर जाओ, नहीं तो सामना करो आके, हम आपको सुधार देंगे। 2 मिनट लगेगा केवल। और जिस दिन मैंने उस चुनौती को स्वीकार करके काम कर लिया तो उस दिन पलिया नहीं लखीमपुर तक छोड़ना पड़ जाएगा, ये याद रखिए।
आपके बेटे वहां बताया जा रहा है उपस्थित थे उसी गाड़ी में?
बिल्कुल नहीं थे, उसके सारे सबूत हमारे पास हैं। वो हमारे बेटे कार्यक्रम स्थल पे थे जो घटना स्थल से 3 से 4 किलोमीटर दूर है। और एक भी वीडियो अगर आप दिखा दें तो मैं मंत्री पद से इस्तीफा दे दूंगा।
आपके बेटे वहां बताया जा रहा है उपस्थित थे उसी गाड़ी में?
बिल्कुल नहीं थे, उसके सारे सबूत हमारे पास हैं। वो हमारे बेटे कार्यक्रम स्थल पे थे जो घटना स्थल से 3 से 4 किलोमीटर दूर है। और एक भी वीडियो अगर आप दिखा दें तो मैं मंत्री पद से इस्तीफा दे दूंगा।
So those were earlier statements by Union Minister Ajay Mishra Teni, where he maintains that he's innocent, his son is innocent, and says that if there's even an iota of proof against me, I will step down. The reality is that now his son is one of the accused. The SIT has confirmed it's a planned conspiracy, but there's been no action against the Union Minister. Maushmi Singh is joining us live from Delhi with the latest updates on this. Maushmi, the opposition strategy is very clear. Today too, they're going to be raising the Lakhimpur Kheri case. But is the stalemate going to continue? Is there any attempt for some sort of a breakthrough, because the government also at this point is adamant that they're not going to allow a discussion?
As I said earlier, Akshita, that the Congress has already given an adjournment notice on this issue. The opposition would be demanding the sacking of the minister before any business in the House is transacted. In the backdrop of the SIT observing and stepping up charges against the minister's son, the minister being summoned to Delhi, it's clear that this has snowballed into a huge issue, and the timing of it all, the winter session is still on. The opposition has seen a unity of sorts as far as the suspension of MPs is concerned, and now on this matter, the entire opposition seems to be united, demanding the sacking of the Minister of State for Home Affairs, Ajay Mishra Teni. Importantly, the opposition is also demanding answers from the Prime Minister, questioning his silence over the entire issue, and also saying that it is the collective responsibility of the Prime Minister, and so he should be, the said minister should be sacked.
It is that comes in from Parliament. Maushmi, for the moment, thank you very much for joining us.